अद्भुत करायचं
आपला काय करायचं सरांचा आवाज येतो. ते कशाला गेलं आणि दुसरं बोल नाही का? हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
हा बोला तर आवाज येतोय
मे आय स्टार्ट नाव?
यस
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल.
Good morning.
I hope I am audible to all.
Yes, sir. Audible, audible.
Okay. Honorable Chairman, Mr. Shivajirao Chote, sir, convener of this international conference, Dr. Sanjay Rao Tate, Excellencies, distinguished guests, resource persons, academicians, dear colleagues, participants, and ladies and gentlemen. It is great honor for me to welcome all of you in the one-day interdisciplinary conference on recent trends and issues in social science and science towards sustainable development. On behalf of Sant Ramdas Arts, Commerce and Science College, Hansawandi, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your presence in this conference. Our visionary leader, Honorable Shivajirao Chote sir, in 1995 established Swami Ramanand Shikshan Prasarag Mandal, and in 1997 our institute, means our college, have been started. Actually, Gansavi is very rural area, having 6,000 population only. But we are trying in the educational field at our base level. I feel very proud of the initiative, and I am pretty sure that this academic engagement will add new dimensions and increase the resource of learning. I applaud members of the organizing committee of this conference who have been working from the last couple of months very hard for the success of this conference. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude for their dedication, time, and efforts. I also thank our patrons, technicians, again, very important person behind success of this conference, Dr. Santosh Mane, for publishing journal. Technicians, teaching and non-teaching staff who played major role in materializing this event. I thank, I thank you all the participants for your presence and participation and enjoy the conference. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir, for gracing occasion and influence by your. Thank you so much. What things we are expecting from Dr. Gajan, sir? May I? Hello. Dr. Gajan, sir. Okay. Now we will move towards the plenary session. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start the plenary session. Surya Department of Dr. Baba Saheb University. Of his presence of social science in rural development. Dr. M. Suryanshi, sir, to orient us on the topic. Over to you, sir. Dr. Suryanshi, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are pretty much
Thank you so much,
audible.
sir.
Please continue, sir.
Can I share my PPT?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. You are welcome.
हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो सर, येतोय आवाज, बोला. सर, यू आर ऑडिबल.
ताटे सर
बोला सर.
आज तुम्ही डायरेक्ट प्लेअर सेशन सुरू झालं की मला बोलायचा चान्स आहे?
बोला बोल.
हा?
सर, यू आर वेलकम.
माझा आवाज येतोय का तुम्हाला?
Sir, yes, you are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Dear friend, स्वामी रामानंद शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ घनसावंगी and its college Sant Ramdas Arts, Commerce and Science College Ghansanghi organized one day international webinar on the topic recent trends and issues in social sciences and sciences towards sustainable development. The principal of the college, Dr. R.K. Pardeshi sir, convener and my friend, who takes lot of effort to organize this international conference, Dr. Sarjarao Tapte sir, his colleague, Dr. Bhausaheb Devkar, Dr. Dhaye sir, Dr. Gajanan Aujja sir, and the very respected president of the Sri Swami Ramanand Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Ghansanghi, Honorable Shivajirao Tute sir, all the dignitaries, research scholars, geographers, I hereby a very warm welcome to all the participants and the lead speaker of this national, international, including that my friend Dr. Nadab from Goa, Dr. Madhu Siroti from University Aurangabad, Dr. Sindhu sir, dear friend, on the occasion of this international webinar, I give my best wishes to the organizers and to this international conference. You know that, dear friend, this year, the year 2020, we are facing the pandemic of COVID-19. And because of COVID-19, everyone from our state, our nation, and not only our state and nation, but all over the world, all the peoples are facing so many difficulties regarding all things, all aspects of the human life. It may be economy, it may be agricultural sector, it may be education, it may be exam of the students. You know that even today in our Maharashtra, all the universities are busy taking the examination of last year students. There are so many obstacles. As right now, before few minutes, we have faced that. There is no internet connection. Connectivity is not good. Some technical problems are there. Even though we working in this section, we are very familiar about all these instruments and gadgets which are we are using. But the remote, those students who are living in the remote area, their friend, it is highly impossible for them to appear and join such activities. But the Department of Geography from Sant Ramdas Arts, Commerce and Science College takes lots of efforts to organize this international webinar on the very current issues. The issues is regarding the sustainable development, issues regarding the recent trends and issues, all issues included are all issues which are connected towards the social sciences and sciences. So we have very well-known speakers, and I hope that in coming plenary session first, second, third, they will give their valuable guidance. They share their valuable experience and views and make this international webinar very successful. Organizer has given me this opportunity to give my best wishes to this international webinar. So once again, thanks, respected Principal Dr. R.K. Pardeshi sir and my friend Dr. Sarjay Rao Tate sir. Once again, all the best wishes to this international webinar. Thank you, sir.